the equation. What is the solution of this equation? What? Solution of the dy by solution of dy upon dx plus py equal to py cube. First we should find what? We should find ep to the power x, ep to the power integration of p into dx. First we should find out e and the power of the exponent, integration p dx. What is p? P is a constant. P is a constant here. So which is known as IF, or it is usually called IF, or known as the what? Integrating factor that is termed as IF. Integrating factor usually we mention as IF of this. So now, what is now? Now dy by dx. Now dy by dx plus py dy by dx py, that is equal to, what is this? E into E into E p dx, E p dx into dy dx, p dx dy dx, p dy and p, that is ep dy dx plus p y, it is also e p dx integration dy dx into p into y, p into y, and e p dx equal to q ep dx, ep dx. Now dy dx py equal to, we are ep dx dy dx p into y into p dx equal to q into p dx, that is equal to this, and this term is called integrating factor. It is integrating factor. From this, what we can write here? So we are again writing from here. That means we are removing this part. That is, we have come here this. So now from here, from Here, what we can write now from here? That is this. Now from here, we can write E. We are writing E. That is P dx. E P dx into dy. E T P dx dy equal to py. And E P dx, it is dy, so it is dx. E P dx E P d equal to what we can write? D equal to D equal to Y equal to Y equal to Y dy, that is q E P dx equal to D equal to Y E P dx equal to, that is D. This is equal to, we can write then Q, where we have not, that is E P dx P Y E P dx equal to that is equal to Q, that is equal to Q E P d